Whether you shock them, scare them, surprise them, interest them, amuse them, excite them, amaze them, or confuse them. Your story opening should always hook the reader and make them want to read on. In this series of tutorials, I'll show you different ways to begin your stories with impact. Today's focus will be beginning with an interesting character description. It is bad enough when parents treat ordinary children as though they were scabs and bunions. But it becomes somewhat a lot worse when the child in question is extraordinary. And by that, I mean sensitive and brilliant. Matilda was both of these things. By the age of 1.5, Matilda's speech was perfect, and she knew as many words as most grown-ups. The parents, instead of applauding her, called her a noisy chatterbox and told her sharply that small girls should be seen and not heard. How does one describe Artemis Fowl? Various psychiatrists have tried and failed. The main problem is Artemis's own intelligence. He bamboozles every test thrown at him. He has puzzled the greatest medical minds and sent many of them gibbering to their own hospitals. Two brilliant examples there of how to hook the reader by starting with an interesting character description. In a short story, you don't have much time to grab the reader's attention, introduce your characters, build the plot, and bring it to a strong ending. So every sentence really counts. If you spend too long describing your character, the story can slow down and your reader might lose interest. Instead, aim for a short, vivid description. Just 2 or 3 well-chosen sentences can give us a clear picture of who the character is and make us want to read on. Mr. Briggs had a glass eye, a voice like gravel, and a stare that could stop time. No one knew what he actually taught, but somehow I ended up sitting in his classroom, trying not to blink. Nobody noticed Jade most of the time, which made it easy for her to steal things. She started small, pens, keys, fridge magnets, but today she had bigger plans. Theo Baxter had never lost a game of chess, a spelling bee, a staring contest, a sprint to the lunch queue, or a single argument, not even with his mum. He was 10 years old, in my class, and very, very annoying. Some people said he was clever. Others said he was just lucky. But either way, he always won. That was until today. My gran wasn't like other grans. She rode a motorbike, climbed trees for fun, and once scared off a bear with a wooden spoon. She always said life was too short to be boring, and she lived every day like it might be her last. Zara could pick any lock in under 30 seconds, a skill she'd learnt from her uncle, who believed in passing on life skills. Her fingers were quicker than most people's brains. Give her a bent paperclip and she could open anything. So there you go. Using an interesting character description at the start of your story is a brilliant way to hook your reader straight away. Keep it short, sharp, and make your character stand out in some unusual or surprising way, and your reader will want to know more. Thanks for watching. If you found this Gain Explains tutorial useful, please give it a thumbs up. And for more videos that will help take your writing skills to the next level, don't forget to subscribe. There's hundreds of videos to choose from.